Does the Supercharger clutch delete provide benefit before reaching stage 2 power? Not as much,
Not as much, but I mean, it is. Well, I know you really appreciated the drivability change.
Yeah.
Not necessarily from a performance standpoint, but it isn't the best system for a smooth engagement, re-engagement, or release.
My Q7 felt like it had a sloppy transmission shifting for a long time, and then when we put in the clutch delete, I realized that was just the Supercharger like not engaging and delaying the response of the turn.
Yeah, or when it does engage, I mean, it's a big physical, like it's a lot of inertia that you're spinning up from a stop each time.
No, it was actually huge from a drivability.
Yeah, you'll feel it when given some situations. They try and mitigate it as much as they can by kind of ramping that engagement up by slipping it just a little bit, but it's a lot of load coming in.
But the benefit from it slipping is not necessarily needed at that point. But above, definitely above that, yes, you need it.
Mm-hmm.
It will slip at some point.
Yeah, and some of them do just wear out.
Some of them do wear.
They're literally unable to hold stock.
Yeah, I mean, I would say for sure do it. We don't require it, but it's recommended. It's a real nice upgrade for not a lot of money. It's pretty easy to install.
Yeah.